So this is a punch for punching the holes in your header pipe, and then these fittings have a barb on them that goes in that hole. So I'm going to put a hole right there, kind of around and force it in there, pop through. And this one's a little bit small, so I'm kind of wiggling it to make it a little bigger hole. Now, we have two kinds here. This one has a valve on it, a shut-off valve. So you can actually have the water on or shut it off. So if you want to irrigate some stuff less than other stuff, you would use that. Peppers want plenty of water. I'm going to put this barb in there. Pops in. Got a tight fitting there. I'll put drip tape on that, and we will have irrigation on that row of peppers, and then we'll do these other ones. Now, this is last year's drip tape. I'm going to cut it right here, and my nice little cutter is at the shop, so I'm just going to use a pocket knife for now. And I'm going to cut it right here. And this little thing here is an end. You slip it on your drip tubing, put away your knife, and then you kink this over and bring the and there you got a seal at the end. And I could put a coupler in there and extend further later if I want to. I think that we're going to water the peppers and tomatoes separately, at least for now. So that's step one, and step two is getting your drip tape. Okay, this drip irrigation, row drip it's called, just like T-tape. 8-inch spacing, 40 gallons per hour per 100 feet. Let's see, 0.67 gallons per minute per 100 feet, 7,500 foot in the roll, and it is 8 mil thickness. I think 8 mil is a good choice. They make it thicker, they make it thinner. I wouldn't get 4. 4 mil is way too thin, it's like a plastic bag. Let's see, we're just going to unroll this here. And you roll this up. Oh, once, twice, at least twice. That's probably enough. And then you bend it a little bit like that so it will fit on inside the same size tubing here. Slide that on, and I now have a sealed end on that. This is the filter, and there's different varieties. I like this one because there's inline filters. You got to take the thing apart here, but this one you can just pull this off, clean that screen. You can see that screen is quite clean as it is. Start off by checking it daily and see what you need. You got a flow direction here on this piece too, so you want to pay attention to those. Now we have a timer right there and a faucet right here, so make sure everything's tight. Okay, I'm going to open the valve more, at least temporarily, and then you balance it. Turn this valve down until you get a good pressure without being too much pressure. And that's pretty good right there. It's dripping everywhere. You see that drip coming out every 8 inches, one there, one there. So now that we have the drip system set up, the next thing we're going to do is string some tomatoes. And after that, we're going to do a little pruning on tomatoes.